From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like over the next couple of days, rain chances may ease just a bit down to the 40-50% range tomorrow, maybe a little bit lower than that as we head into Wednesday, perhaps Thursday. But unfortunately, more tropical moisture will be moving in. We do have a little bit of a tropical wave in the northwestern Gulf of Mexico. You can see a ridge of high pressure kind of funneling that moisture mainly toward Texas, although we got some of the action today. Farther south and east we go, we have another tropical wave. This is not doing much, but this is going to be pushing into the Gulf of Mexico and will probably add to our rain chances come Friday into the weekend. That's when rain chances go back up, unfortunately, but we'll take a few more normal summer days over the overall wet pattern, even if it's during the week at this point. Also, you can see surface high pressure just about over southeast Louisiana, and that's also helping to make things a little bit more stable. We still have debris clouds across the area, but as we check on Power Doppler 3 over the last 6 hours, you see the showers and storms earlier. They have since dissipated across the board, and right now as we go right to the live mode, not a whole lot showing up on the Power Doppler 3 sweep here. So let's put things in motion. The radar, the satellite imagery, enhanced satellite imagery rather, in motion. You can see storms all around us, but just debris clouds left over from today's showers and thunder showers. Getting out into the Atlantic Basin, the National Hurricane Center looking at 4 different areas, 2 that aren't going to do anything. That's up here in the Atlantic. That's down to a 0% chance of developing. Same with this tropical wave that's heading toward the Gulf of Mexico. You might remember the GFS model want to make that a tropical storm or a hurricane. Not happening. And then now a medium chance for this tropical disturbance off the coast of Africa to develop down the line. So this is right in concert what we would expect this time of year. And then we have this system, and there's an area of low pressure right here. 80% chance of developing over the next several days, 50% near term. Eventually, we do think we might have a tropical storm perhaps out of this system with time. And again, this tropical wave not doing much close to home. So it's all going to be about this particular system, at least in the near term, and we could track it on out. There's a tropical wave Invest 91L. We put in the spaghetti plots. You can see models are taking this mainly up toward the Atlantic Ocean. Perhaps Bermuda might have to keep an eye on it, but no threat to the United States, it appears at this point. But we do see that tropical moisture. Look at this, more blobby red in the Gulf of Mexico. That means rain chances on the way up starting Friday. And again, possibly a tropical storm and maybe a hurricane, but per the latest GFS, but we're not even showing you that. But this looks to get turned to the east with a little bit of a frontal boundary that almost makes it to us. So we might see drying toward the end of next week. I wouldn't count on it at this point, but the long-range models do offer a hint at a front in about 15 or 16 days, but you can't go on a tropical model that's 15 to 16 days out. But we are getting close to that time of year where we do see our first front, so some reason for optimism there. Overnight tonight, generally fair skies. Tomorrow we start off mostly sunny, and then we'll have that sun and cloud mix with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, getting back into the lower 90s, we think. And then we do it all over again on Wednesday with generally mostly sunny skies to start the day, then partly cloudy conditions on Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms coming in from the northeast, moving to the southwest. And moving into Thursday, overall the models look relatively quiet with a start in the low to mid 70s and temperatures in the lower 90s and not much shower activity, although we'll see a few storms later into Thursday afternoon. Rainfall totals next couple of days, nearly very little. A lot of us don't even see accumulating rain, some just enough to wet the ground. So we look at the longer range model with that tropical wave coming into the Gulf of Mexico through Thursday, relatively low rain chances. This is the Euro model, and then we take it out days 3 through 10, and you can see we are going to get wet again with a wet pattern setting up toward the end of next week and into the following weekend. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies out there. It's pretty darn humid. I'm going 77, maybe 78 for a low. Dew points at 79 at the top of the hour. That's pretty uncomfortable with nearly calm winds. And then for tomorrow, mixture of clouds and sun, a little bit more heat earlier in the day as well. We'll get up to about 91 for the high. Scattered afternoon showers and a few thunderstorms. Rain chance tomorrow, 40 to 50%, which is better than the 50, 60, 70, 80% we've seen over the last week or so. So let's get into that 10-day forecast, and we'll show you those rain chances. Hey, almost looking like summer there for 3 days in a row. And then rain chances ramping back up Friday into the weekend with more soaking showers and thunderstorms in the mix. And maybe by the end of next week, we get to lower the rain chances or start to see some cooling or some drier air. But
It'll be September by then.
Cooling, we're talking 1 or 2 degrees.
Right. Yeah.
Hey, it's a start.
Better cooling maybe 2 or 3 weeks away.
Okay.
Once
So
September
it's getting
comes,
closer.
we're going to start asking about
Yeah,
those fronts.
exactly. I gotcha.
Thanks, Rob. Stay with us.